Today, let us take a look with production workshop of Cnlinko. Injection department. According to the state of use of the mold, complete the injection molding of the product. Assembly department. Start on the connector part, fine-tune assembly. Our entire production line adopts standardized production mode. Have a complete quality manufacturing system. The production process strictly implements standardized operations. Automatic screw machine. Quick and efficient implementation. Screw fastening process. Automatic assembly machine. Connector can be implemented. Automated intelligent assembly. Automatic glue dispenser. Realize intelligent dispensing. Higher accuracy. Laser engraver. Laser marking. Meet customer customization requirements. Accurate marking. Semi-automatic sealing machine. Sealed packaging of products can be achieved. Cooperate with the packaging of products, packing and storage. At the same time, according to the needs of customers. Our workshop is also equipped with the wire department, able to complete the processing of the wire harness. Above is an overview of our production workshop. If you want to buy the connector, order directly in the shopping cart. Choose Cnlinko for the connector. Peace of mind is more assured.